So share on your story, tag me with the receipt, right? That's all I'm asking. Yep. So I'm sending you 21,000. Sending you 21,000 sats. All right. Okay, I sent it. 21,000 sats is on the way. And with that being said, right, we go back to the lesson. We go back to the lesson.